Hello. So, when you're working with text designs, be that logo designs or t-shirt designs or social media things, it's quite common to bunch text together so you can fit as much text as you can in one space. Now, the way I typically do it is I use this tool to reduce the space in between letters, but there is a way that you can push that a little bit further so that you can have every letter fully visible but have them overlap. So I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to start with the word rainbow, and we're going to change the each letter to a different colour. So I think you can tell which colours we're going to go for. Start with red, and we'll click that red, and then we'll drag the hue a little bit. A little bit more yellow. Go for a green, go for a blue, go for a darker blue, and then we'll go for purpley pink. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to rasterize this layer, and then what we're going to do is we'll select everything except the first letter, and then we'll right click and layer via cut, select it all again except leaving out the next letter, layer via cut, do the same again, do the same again, do the same again, and then one last one. There we go. So the way that we're going to get this to overlap, we'll click the move tool, have auto select on. We're going to click on the letter, hold down shift to keep it all in the same line. I'm going to overlap them slightly, so every time you click on a new letter it'll automatically go to that layer, and we're just going to overlap them like that, and then we can hold down shift, click on the bottom one, and we can resize this. But obviously we can't see the full letters, so we've hidden the letter that's underneath the layer that's on top. So what we're going to do is go to the blend mode and go down to multiply, and then that's going to show the letters through. Now the way that we can take this a little bit further is we're going to make a new layer. We're going to use the magic wand tool, and we're going to click sample all layers. So what this is going to do, so if we turn this off and we select the layer with W, it'll select everything except the W, right? But if we're on this blank layer, we sample all layers, then it's going to take into account all of the layers underneath it as well. Make sure you've got contiguous turned off so you get inside the letters as well. And then we're going to click Control, Shift and press I to invert the selection. Now on this layer, we're going to use a really soft brush. We'll keep the size like that. That should be fine. And on the top here, we're going to put highlight in. So we're going to click, hold shift, and then just drag and move it side to side. That's going to create it in a straight line. We also want a shadow on the bottom, so we'll do the same with black, like that. Now we're going to turn the opacity for this down. We're going to make it real subtle. There, that should be fine. And then Control and D to deselect. And you can hide the background layer, and you've still got all the transparency as well. And there you go, that's how you overlay coloured letters together. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you next time. Bye!